Concrete is a versatile construction material used all over the world for different construction applications. It is made by adding together water, Portland cement, sand, and gravel. Concrete pouring is the combined process of the proper installation of concrete where it is poured, molded, and cured on site. The process of concrete pouring involves preparation, forming, pouring placement, pre-finishing, finishing, and curing. It is securing the area and taking out all that is unnecessary to the process. It is the process of making a stable base or creating a concrete form. Forms are designed for easy removal once the concrete has been cured. This is where placing or installing the concrete happens after creating the forms. Pouring the concrete directly to the form, gradually and consistently, ensures its quality, strength, and durability. This is where the smoothing and leveling process occurs in the concrete. It requires wood boards to screed the top of the concrete. Screeding helps make the concrete compact and consolidate. This process is making the concrete to its desired finish depending on its intended surface use. It is important to finish the concrete surface to maintain the millage, security from leakage of water, and to have an even surface. As shown on the video, the most basic type of concrete finish is a smooth surface. It is created using trowels and screeds. Curing of concrete is defined as providing adequate temperature, moisture, and time to allow the concrete to achieve its desired properties. It plays a significant role on the durability and development of the concrete. Curing of concrete lasts for 28 days. Moisture is given to the concrete surface by sprinkling water with fog or using moisture-retaining fabrics. The longer the concrete is kept moist, the stronger it will become.